Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today நம்ம மேக்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். Write in expanded form. Okay? Expanded formனா என்னன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். So, here some of the number I have written. Okay? So, I am going to explain how to write this. Okay? Now, let me see. I have written already here. This first number is called ones. The next number is called tens. Okay, so we will write 6 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so 6 tens means what? 60 plus 5 ones means what? 1. Okay, if you add this, it will come 65, no? So, I have written this only in expanded form. Are you clear? Okay, 6, 10 and 5 ones. So, the same way.
Yes, ma'am.
7 tens.
Yes, ma'am.
And 0 ones. Okay,
Yes,
7 tens means 70 plus 0. If you add this, 70.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next 48. 4 tens and 8 ones. So 4 tens means what?
Ma'am.
4 10 40 plus 8 ones 8. If you add this,
48, ma'am.
48. It is coming near 48, no? So the same way, 66. 6 tens
And 5
and
ones, ma'am.
6 ones, sorry. Okay, 6 tens means 60 plus 6 ones means 6. So 66.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
1 8 18. Now 1 tens.
And 5 ones, ma'am. And 8 ones, ma'am.
Okay, 8 ones. So 110 means 110 plus 8 ones.
Ma'am, it is 18.
Okay, 18. So next 82. 8 tens and
2 ones, ma'am.
2 ones. Okay, 8 tens means what? If you write 8 times 10 and all together if you add
80, ma'am.
will come. Okay, 2 ones. If you add this 82.
82, ma'am.
Okay, 82 has come, no? The same way 45. 4 tens
And 5 ones.
and 5 ones. 4 tens means what?
Ma'am,
40 plus 5
50.
equal 45. 45. Listen carefully. If you have a doubt, can ask me.
Sorry, ma'am.
2 7 27. 2 tens and 7 ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 2 times if you writing 10 means 10 plus 10 20, no? 20 plus 7 ones. Okay, 27. The
Yes,
same
ma'am.
answer we got. 3 tens
And 4 ones, ma'am.
and 4 ones. Okay, 3 times if you write tens, 30 and 4.
4, ma'am.
34. The answer we got. 6 tens
And 9 ones.
and
9 ones, ma'am.
9 ones. Okay, 6
And
times if you
60.
write 6 times if you write 10,
60,
add
ma'am.
means 60.
Plus
9.
9.
If you add this
69,
69. This is the way we have to write expanded form. Children, if you have any doubt, please ask me in comment so I can explain with you clearly. If I am going fast, please tell me so that I can explain briefly. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
please subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.